Hello friends, today I am going to do a C++ program which will convert the infix expression to the postfix expression. For this the program is here. In this we are declaring some character variables and integer variable. The character variable has given the size of 50 and integer variable is top, that is initialized with -1. So we are defining a function that is push character L. Character L is the argument that we passed in this function. So this function is to insert an element in the stack, and it will increment the top of the stack by 1, and the value stored in this S character will be EL. The EL is the character which has been passed in the as an argument in the push function. Then the second function is char pop. In this, pop will be done, the elements will be deleted of the stack. So in this function it will be directly returning to a character, and in this character the top will be decremented by minus 1 minus minus, so it will be decremented by 1. The next character function is to check the parity. In this, the character EL again will be passed as an argument in this function. This character will be checked one by one, which character comes, which parity comes from. So if it is hash, it will return to 0. If it will be open or closed parenthesis, it will be returning to returning to 1. In the case if it will be plus or minus, it will be returning to 2, and in the case it is division or multiplication, it will be returning to 3. So that function has been closed, and after that the main function starts. In the main function we are declaring some character variable and two integer variable. The character variable is infix and postfix chel. Infix it will be helpful in taking the input from the user. The expression will be taken in that, and the postfix character variable is to give the output. So firstly we are instructing the user to give the input, and that has been taken in the infix. So then the push function has been called with the argument hash. In that a while loop is there, that it checks that if this loop will run until the parity comes equal to 0. So this in this loop, the first we are giving a if condition that checks that if character is compared with the open parenthesis. If it is open parenthesis, push function will be called, and some operands will be pushed, operators will be pushed in the stack. Else if the operand is there, that will be directly given to the postfix expression, and the postfix stack will be postfix will be incremented by 1 k plus plus, and the character which stores the operand, that will be stored in the postfix expression. And else if the character is closed parenthesis. In the case of closed parenthesis, it will run again with a loop. This loop will run until it reaches to the open parenthesis. Till the open parenthesis, in this loop it will pop out all the elements till the open parenthesis, and that all will be popped element will be stored in the postfix expression by increasing the k size, and the popped element will be stored in EL. Then the else condition, in this else condition, the parity which we have given in the function, if that can be is greater, if the means the character which is going in the stack to be filled, that on the top it will be greater than or equal to the character which is inside the stack, then all the elements like this condition will be popped out, and it will be given in the postfix expression. And if the elements in the stack is high priority, then the element is coming at the top is then that, so the element will not be popped out, that only element will be directly given to the postfix expression. And all the postfix that has been stored and in the last we will check the top will the with hash means it will return to 0. If the top will come to the 0 or until it comes to 0, all the elements in the stack will be popped out and it will be stored in the postfix expression. And after that the postfix expression has been printed. We'll check out with the output. We are giving expression like this. It is working. Thank you.